So the Dior Air Jordan 1 highs, they resell for, let's just say, a lot of money. So these Air Jordan 1 mids for $115 US retail, it sounds like a pretty good alternative. What's up guys, it's your boy Christian here, back at you for Sneaker Talk with a brand new review. We're talking about some more Air Jordan 1 mids. You guys seem to love me talking about mids and showing you guys different colorways. So today we got the light smoke grays. Now we're not in the typical setting for my videos. We're actually at a small little like cottage outside of the city, and there's currently a little blackout right now. So I did manage to bring a small little light, so that's what we're using to shoot this video. And I figured, hey, I either read a book or shoot a YouTube video. So if you're a fan of sneaker reviews just like this, or you want to see some sneaker shopping vlogs, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that red button down below. I just uploaded some outlet content and some sneaker shopping vlogs from Toronto, and we'll have more reviews on the channel for these sneakers and more later this week and next. So the Air Jordan 1 mid light smoke gray released on June 9th, 2020 for a retail price of $115 US. Right now, these sneakers are sold out in most regions. So if you do see these sitting, you want to think pretty quickly or not if you want to buy these sneakers, because expect resellers to snap these up quick if they haven't yet already. And honestly, this is, even though it's a mid, and I know mids get this stigma, it's a damn good mid. In terms of resale prices for the light smoke mid ones, I've seen size 10s average resale go at around $200 US and size 8s at $230. My honest thoughts on the resale prices of these sneakers, I think it's pretty fair, it's justifiable, and I could see these going up more and more as time goes on. One of the first things you're gonna think of when you see these Air Jordan 1 mids are poor man's Air Jordan 1 Dior's. I know some people hate that terminology, but bro, it's just a terminology. It's just a nickname. It's nothing new. Don't be so sensitive. They are expensive sneakers, but you know, when you're comparing them to a sneaker that resells for like $20,000, you could call these the poor man Dior's. And I know these aren't the only sort of white and gray Air Jordan 1 highs or Air Jordan 1s to come out. I'll give you guys some great alternatives at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So taking a look at the upper of these shoes, they use a mixture of white and gray leather, and it's this consistent smooth leather throughout the sneaker. So you have that white toe box, you have the white side panels, then you also have the white collar up here as well, and then surrounding that white toe box you have that light smoke gray that wraps around going upwards towards the tongue of the shoe, and you have it on the eyelets as well. Now, in terms of the swoosh, you have that black Nike swoosh on the side in smooth leather, and you have that matching Air Jordan Wings logo embossed into the leather. In terms of laces, these do come with black flat laces and no extra lacing options, but if you wanted to swap in some white laces, that would look really clean too. And just because it's a black, white, and gray sneaker, you could pretty much pop in any color laces and it'll give these a nice little pop. Continuing up the center of the sneaker, you have a gray nylon tongue, and then you have this black and gray Air Jordans logo it's stitched into the tongue as well. Now the nylon collar that they use for the lining right here is actually black, and I'm a huge fan of that, because typically when it's like a lighter color like white or gray, if you have denim dye or just dirt, it tends to build up there and it makes it look kind of dirty. So the fact that it's black will help make the sneaker not get as crusty looking as you continue to wear and beat these up. Now in terms of wearability, sizing, comfort, all that good stuff, wearability, I gotta say these are a solid 10 out of 10. This is easily one of the most wearable Air Jordan 1 mids to release. It's so simple. It's like a sneaker you can't go wrong with, and that's one of the reasons I feel like the resale is justifiable right now for these. It's not a sneaker that's not going to it's not going to break a lot of necks. What the sneaker will do will help complement a really already styled outfit that looks good, or it can easily be the highlight of your outfit if you want it to be that way. But yeah, this is a really good daily beater. So if you wanted that one Air Jordan retro to be your beater, or that one shoe for the year, the light smoke mid, definitely a candidate for that. Now in terms of sizing and comfort, sizing, I would recommend going your true size in the Air Jordan 1 mid, like pretty much most retro Jordans. If you do have a wide foot, going up half a size is fine too, and if you find a steal in a size 0.5 too big, going up half a size isn't that bad either. You can do that, and you could possibly throw in some like force fields or sneaker shields to help prevent creasing, because creasing on these sneakers, it's unavoidable. These will get creased up. If you're a hater of creases, it's going to be painful wearing these, but I feel like most people, when it comes to ones, they're starting to accept that that they look better the more and more you wear them. Feels good to wear a pair once and crease them up yourself. In terms of comfort, I would rate these a solid 7.5 out of 10. It's nothing crazy. It's old tech from 1985. Jordan 1s have Nike Air units embedded into the midsole right here hidden. So it's solid technology. It's not amazing. Your feet won't be bleeding by the end of the day, but you're not doing yourself a favor by wearing an Air Jordan 1 all day either. It's just a solid 7.5 out of 10. Take it for what it is. If you want to upgrade them, I'll throw in a running shoe insole from maybe an Adidas or Nike sneaker that you have laying around. What would I change? What would I change about the Air Jordan 1 Light Smoke Gray? Honestly, nothing. They nailed it. Jordan Brand killed this release. They did such a good job on these. I know they're a mid, so for some people these are already a write-off already, but if you're okay with them being mids, if you really don't care, these are like a perfect Air Jordan 1 retro. These are fantastic. I love the way the black complements the gray and white. It's just the right amount of balance of all these colors on it. Nothing is too overbearing, and it's a really good like subtle shoe. If you're a guy and you're trying to impress girls, keep these clean and they'll probably compliment you on your shoes. The leather quality on these, or synthetic leather quality on these, is pretty solid. It's what you would expect out of an Air Jordan 1 mid. I'm not disappointed by it by any means. I'll of course leave links to places to cop these sneakers in the description down below. If you like these shoes and want to see other shoes just like it, some great alternatives to these would be the Air Jordan 1 Dior Highs, the Air Jordan 1 High Light Smoke Gray, the Air Jordan 1 Low Light Smoke Gray, the Jordan 1 Retro High Zoom White Racer Blue, the ones that kind of look like the Dior's with the icy bottoms, and of course the Baron Air Jordan 1. If you made it to the end of the video, do me a huge favor and hit that like button down below for more reviews like this, and comment what you guys think about the Air Jordan 1 Mid Light Smoke Gray. I would love to hear what you guys think about this, especially because it's a mid, but it's a mid that's like hard to diss. And of course, if you want more reviews, make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and my second channel, Sneaker Talk 365s. And if you guys want to chill for some live sneaker discussions and sneaker news, make sure you guys follow me on Twitch. It's twitch.tv/sneakertalkca. We also do some live streams over on here, but for that, you want to make sure you have notifications on. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.